Hey JV's Ben here. In this video I'm going to walk you through the backend for our ViraTraffic software so that you can get an idea of what your customers can expect once they have purchased and are inside the software. So let's go ahead and log in and then we can dive right into it. So you can see on the left hand side there's a whole bunch of different features. These are everything that your customers are going to need to get started with our software. So first off, if we head to the settings area, you'll see here that there is a whole host of different social networks that your customers can connect their accounts to so that our system can automatically post content to those places for them. So as you can see, we support all the major social networks like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, all those sorts of ones. But on top of that, we also support LinkedIn, Imager, and Blogger. And then to top it all off, we've added the ability for your customers to add their own Facebook pixels to our system. So what this means is not only can your customers view the analytical data for all the people that are viewing the GIFs and images and anything that they're posting through our system, they can also use this data to create lookalike audiences or directly retarget the people that are viewing these GIFs. So that means, let's say they have a client that is a PC store and your customer is posting on their behalf. What they can do is build up a large Facebook audience of people interacting with the posts. Now these are people that are prime leads when it comes to the PC store advertising any deals or specials that they are currently running, and these can be targeted through Facebook ads. What this also means is the ROI on these campaigns are going to be much higher because the people being targeted are already interacting with the business, already interacting with these GIF posts, so they are prime leads when it comes to the remarketing campaign. They're not cold traffic anymore, so they're going to convert a lot easier and a lot better and for a lower price. And so from here, obviously the main part of the software is creating these GIF campaigns. So if we head over to the campaigns page, then we go ahead and create a GIF campaign. You can see here the customer can put in a GIF name, so I'm just going to call it test. And now they can begin searching for images relating to whatever niche they're wanting to post in. So let's just search up dogs and go ahead and hit save and find. And you can see here that it's going to begin to pull up all kinds of GIFs. So then what they can do is when they find one that they like and they want to post, they can go ahead and click on the GIF itself, select the GIF, which will then save it to the campaign, and they can choose between posting the GIF immediately to the various social networks that they have connected, or they can post it at a specific time. I'm just going to leave it because I currently have not added any social networks to this test account. So let's go ahead and head back to the campaign section so we can look at some of the other options that your customers have when it comes to creating campaigns. So you can see here there's two other options for creating campaigns. You've got the add image campaign type and the customized campaign type. So let's go ahead and click on add image, and you can see here there's a few options that your customer can fill out. So the redirect URL is where you want the person viewing the image to be redirected to if they click on the image itself. So we'll just type in test, put Google in here just so that you can see the process. We'll go ahead and select one of the locations to search. So we'll just do Flickr, and again we'll just use the keyword dogs. We go ahead and hit save and find. And you can see here there's a whole bunch of different options for creating an image to post. So you've got two different content layouts. You've got one with the text in the middle, and then one with the text in the top and bottom. You've got boxes for filling out the text that you want on screen. You've got all kinds of font options, color options, backgrounds, anything like that. And then the ability to add your pixel code. Once your customer has filled out those, they simply go ahead, select one of these images, and they will be given the URL to post. So let's go ahead and just click on the first one here. And you can see it's the same where they simply select the platforms that they want to post on. I don't have any platforms added, so there are none. And then they're given the option to post immediately or post at a specific time. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and click back on campaigns, and we can look at the customized type. So if we go ahead and choose the custom campaign, it's much the same as you just saw, except here your customer has the ability to upload their own image or provide an image URL if they already have an image hosted somewhere else. And then they can simply choose the type of content to post, what text they want, the footer content, anything like that, the fonts, the font colors, background colors, and pixels, and then they go ahead and publish it exactly the same as they did in the previous two campaign setups. The next major area to look at is the automation section. Now what this does is it allows your customers to set up automated GIF or image campaigns that will go out and find a certain amount of GIFs or images within a certain niche and then post those all at pre-scheduled times. So if we go ahead and click on this Add GIF Automation button, you can see here we simply enter the automation name, the keyword, and then how many posts we wish to publish. So then we go ahead and click Save and Find. And you'll see that the customer has the option to choose all the different timelines or pages that they wish to post the images on. I don't have any set up, so I can't go any further into this process, but that gives you an idea of what the customer can expect and how they can utilize the software going forward. So I hope this helps you to better understand what the software is doing, and I look forward to seeing you on board. If you have any questions at all, please reach out and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Cheers. Thank you.